Hi guys, so for today's video,
we will be doing a house tour. Come in. So this is our front door. As you could see, it's still very much Christmassy.
kasi tinatamad sila tanggalin yung decor.
So yeah, that's the explanation why our house still looks Christmassy. And right here we have a painting from our long lost uncle.
No, we didn't know we had.
Yeah. So yeah, and here on the other side we have this cabinet. So we have 4 drawers here, and we just have our first aid and a bunch of other stuff. And right here we have our shoes. So yeah, that's where we keep them.
So this is our circular na mirror. Lahat ng guests namin dito nagsiselfie.
AKA the iconic mirror.
Yeah, and so we have like a plant and then a few vases. And this is our JBL na Google Home speaker. You can play music here, or you can also control yung...
Yeah, let me show you guys.
You can also control yung...
We have reminders, and then you can
Stuff.
look at videos, that's Spotify, YouTube.
Play Taylor Swift songs.
Playing Taylor Swift on Spotify.
So, ito yung papunta ng powder room namin, which is the bathroom for the visitors.
Turn on the lights, please.
So, yeah. Medyo messy siya today because someone used it. I don't know who.
Yeah, that's it.
And then we have here our guest room.
Where we
Wow.
have our
We have
most
our
honorable guest.
My surprise.
I keep laughing.
Okay, go.
Yeah, that's the most honorable guest that we have in the house.
Okay, go. So, ito yung 8-seater dining table namin. This is where we eat most of the time. Sometimes kasi we eat sa kitchen. So, this is a pure marble na table that we got from Mega Mall. I chose this with my sister and my dad kasi it's pretty and it matches with the marble na floor and aesthetic of the house. And so, we also have another mirror over there. I was the one who chose to put a mirror there kasi I think it would make the whole place bigger. So this is our sala, and this is a sofa that we got from Bow Concept, and we decided to match it with our curtains. As you can see, it's all gray, and it also matches with our
Tiles,
yeah.
which is
So,
marbled.
Yeah, it matches with our tiles. Tapos we also have some gray pillows that we
Some
got from
accent pillows.
Archipelago. These are really nice kasi it's good quality.
There you go.
We also decided to put some accent na green pillows to add a pop of color.
Also, as you could see, you can already tell that we love plants, especially our mom. She loves them.
And I also made this pot. I mean, I didn't make the pot, but I painted it. This is a DIY na pot.
Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you, underneath our dining table, we have a rug, as well as here in our living room, we also have a rug that is gray, but in a lighter shade of gray. So yeah, and we have this chair, and don't mind the slippers.
So we also decided to match the chandelier here together with the lights sa dining area and sa bar.
So now that we are done with our living room, we will now take you to our main kitchen. So here in our main kitchen, we have 3 stools. As you can see, they also have a gold accent to match with the lightings in our house. So yeah, that's it. Sometimes we like to take our breakfast here instead of the dining. So. Here we have this wine cooler. And we also have these. We just pull them out, and this is where we store our cutlery. As well as here, we have these, which store our wine glasses. And here is for some extra storage. And yeah, you can see these, you know, kitchen stuff. And our sink, and it's a mess.
Yeah, so those
We
are
have, yeah, a blender and my KitchenAid because I do love to bake in this house. So, and lastly, we have this
Coffee maker.
machine. Yes, for our dad. And that's
we
about
also
it.
store our wines here. And then this is our microwave oven and our electric oven. So this is where my sister bakes din sometimes if walang gas. And then this is where we store our canned food.
AKA our mini grocery chos.
Oops. And we also have our spices and other sauce here. And then here we have our fridge, and then may photos namin. The whole family. This is me, the cutest. My mother, my father, and my sister and my brother. Yeah, and we can get ice here and water. Tapos, this is our freezer. I don't know why I have to show this. And you can also knock. Why is it working? And you can also knock para you turn on yung light and you turn off. Yeah.
Ask us if you want a fridge tour. Just kidding.
It's messy. Tapos, we have our snacks here and other shit that we consume.
Okay, so now we are here in our dirty kitchen, and this is where we usually cook in our gas stove. It's lights out. And then, yeah, that's about it. We have another sink here, a sink, and just all the
Ayun si
kitchen
ate.
needs.
Nagluto siya.
Also, we have our babies here. This is Oreo. He's our greatest baby. And we have Jaja, the spoiled brat of them all.
The ugly one.
Here is our outdoor area, and as you can see, this is our mom. Just painting some pots. And yeah, it's like
So this is our greenhouse garden, and this is where they plant the fresh produce. Sometimes we harvest tomatoes and other herbs here. So, ito yung stairs namin. It lights up.
so you won't be tripping at night
Yeah.
because it's actually trippy. Trust me.
Okay, let's climb the stairs.
We have another painting here.
Okay, so walang light.
We have more paintings here. Here you could see this is the door to the master's bedroom, but we won't show you that. And we have our family pictures here, and here is my brothers, my other brothers. What do you call that? Balcony.
So, ito yung papunta ng balcony namin.
This is the balcony.
Sa room ng mom ko tsaka brother.
No, this is Kuya Kanit's balcony lang. Baliw.
Ano ba? May access
No,
sila.
it's
Ano
his
yung
talaga. So here is our other brother's balcony.
And meron kami itong plant na i-resurrect.
Strength to thrive, sis.
Yeah.
This is her sister from another mother.
I
So
think
yeah, this just goes around here. Ayan. I won't show you much because you might track us, Char.
Wait, what?
You might track us.
So this is our hallway. As you can see, may view ng sala namin and then the chandelier. We also have here another console table. We have a few photos and then few plants and another painting by our long lost uncle.
As you can see, we love him that much.
Yeah.
And we have another door here which leads to the outdoor space, which I will show you in a second. So yes, this is where the door leads. Don't show our neighbors. So yes, this just goes around until you reach the balcony of my bedroom. So yes, this is what the balcony of my bedroom looks like, and it's, you know, we're still trying to fix it and make it look all nice, but as for now, this is what she is. That's where you're gonna put. You should show them this room. And also from my room, you could see that there's a stairway that leads to our garden.
So this is my sister's room.
So the door.
We won't show you what's inside.
Yeah.
She holds many secrets.
This is my other brother's room. Now this is the third floor where my eldest brother lives alone.
This is where I reside.
We have, as you can see, we have a pantry room here.
Na
with
walang
some
laman.
snacks. Yeah, we just keep other cutlery here. So when we eat at the rooftop, we won't have to go all the way down.
So before pumasok ng gym, we have another console table and then may trophies ng dad ko and the iconic mask.
Yeah, we have these iconic masks. These came from our first home, and yeah, this.
May history siya.
Yeah, it has a
my
history.
friends.
The OGs know. Tell us in the comments below. Just kidding.
So this is a photo.
Yeah,
by,
this also has history.
Yeah.
We broke the glass in the car.
Yeah, photographer.
By accident,
famous
guys.
Photographer. I don't know who.
Let me
I
show you.
forgot.
It's really.
I have a bad memory, so
Yeah, that's about it.
okay. Cut.
Now we enter the gym.
Gym. This is where we work out, of course. So we have 2 yoga mats here. That's where we do planking and stuff. And then we also have what do you call those?
Dumbbells.
Yeah, dumbbells.
He's a dumbbell.
We have our elliptical machine and then our treadmill. Yeah. And then we also have another closet here.
Yeah, we just like to keep here our.
Old clothes.
No,
Those are old clothes.
we have the other clothes here, and as well as our linens
Yeah, and yeah, my bathroom here.
that.
If you wanna take a shower right after you work out. I mean, not right after, because you need to rest. Okay.
And that's it. Now, guys, let me show you the entertainment room. So, this is our entertainment room. Wait a second, let me close the curtains. Hey Google, please close entertainment room curtain.
Okay, closing the curtain.
And now, welcome. So, here we have our lazy boys.
Medyo messy siya today.
We'd be comfortable when we watch a movie. Here we have our projector para very cinema feels, and we have all around sound system as well. So, yeah. And we also have a massage chair over here in case you're feeling tired. So yeah, that's it. And our white screen and all the other stuff we need, as well as our karaoke machine.
So, ito yung papunta sa room ko. I'm not gonna show it kasi medyo messy siya today. And actually always. Pero,
Yeah, it's always messy.
this is our common bathroom sa third floor. So, para pag may mga mag-CR na visitors who are watching with us sa entertainment room, they can use the bathroom.
And here we have our prayer room, which is not yet done, but yes, here's how it looks like currently.
Yeah, so there's some religious stuff.
There. Here we have another door which leads to another balcony, and I think this is the smallest balcony that we have at home. So yeah, that's about it. And moving on, we are now going to the last part of our house, which is our
Roof deck.
our rooftop. My favorite spot. Is it? Maybe. Here guys, we have another common bathroom in the rooftop for the visitors so that we don't have to go down.
So this is a roof deck, and we have here a few couches and then a table. This is where we hang out with friends sometimes.
Yeah, this is actually my second favorite place because I have a lot of memories here with my friends. We like to do our projects.
Yeah, and we have
Here,
a great
yeah.
view ng mga trees and stuff.
It relieves you from stress.
Yeah, and so if you go here, meron din kaming parang fake grass lawn thing. And my dad practices golf here.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Medyo na ano siya kasi it's kind of windy. Like nung nakarang araw may storm. So,
Yeah, it's actually really cold here, so it's really nice to stay here. And as you could see, we have the mango tree, the iconic mango tree here with my tree house, which you can see right now.
so yeah. We forgot. So we have
A
a
barbecue.
grill, yeah. So pwede magluto here sometimes.
So yeah, let's give you guys a better view of our garden. Here it is. And yeah, that's my tree house over there. Fun fact, that was built before our house was. So yeah, before our house was built.
So the question is,
Which is our real house.
no, why you built like that? So there you go guys, that concludes our house tour video.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell icon if you want to see more of us, and especially more of me on this channel.
We hope you enjoyed this video, so bye. See you next. Stop. See you on the next video.
Bye. Please tell me he's the cutest dog. Buji!